So how do you teach addition? It's a simple operation, right? Hi, I'm Jimmy, and we're here to discuss how to teach addition. And sometimes it's pretty straightforward, but sometimes it can be a little bit tricky because it's all about the signs, the positives and the negatives. So we're going to go over a few scenarios today to discuss when to do what. Now, let's talk about the first scenario where you have adding two positive numbers. Now, 3 plus 5 is probably something that most everybody could do right away, and you can just go straight with 3 plus 5. Well, we know that's 8. But for whatever reason, negatives give people the willies. Suppose you have negative 4 plus negative 6. Now, when you add two negative numbers together, because both numbers are negative, you're actually adding to the negative aspect. And one approach that you could use, if you like, is for negative 4, indicate 4 negative signs. And with negative 6, indicate 6 negative signs. And all you have to do is count up the number of negative signs that you see, and as you can tell, there's 10 of them. So negative 4 plus negative 6 will be negative 10. When you have a positive plus a negative number, then use what you know about signs. You know positive and a negative really becomes a negative because unlike signs give you negative. So you can transform that easily to 13 minus 9, which you know is 4. But when you have a negative added to a positive, it's a little trickier because there's going to be subtraction involved as opposed to your addition. So one way you might want to think about it is write 8 negatives for negative 8, and then write 2 positives for plus 2. And then for every negative, cancel out a positive. So negative, cancel with a positive, negative, cancel out with a positive. Obviously, the negatives have more left, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the negative front. So I'm Jimmy, and I hope I've given you some strategies on how to teach addition.